Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how you can create and organize documents directly within ClickUp. ClickUp Docs are perfect for housing project briefs, SLPs, and meeting notes right alongside your tasks. First, let's navigate to the correct area in your workspace to start a new file. Sidebar navigation. Go to the left-hand sidebar in your ClickUp dashboard. Open the Create menu. Find a space or folder and click the plus icon, which is the Create Item shortcut. Select Doc. From the drop-down list, click on Doc. This will instantly generate a fresh blank canvas for your information. Next, name and style your document. A well-structured document starts with a clear identity and visual organization. Enter a title. Click the header area and type a descriptive title, e.g., Standard Operating Procedures. Add visual elements. Hover above your title to add an emoji icon or a cover image. This makes the doc much easier to identify in your file directory. Set the location. Ensure the doc is nested in the correct folder or space so it stays relevant to the tasks it supports. Next, use / commands for formatting. ClickUp Docs use a block-based system, allowing you to format instantly without using a toolbar. Type / to start. On any new line, simply type a /. Choose your format. Scroll through the menu to select H1, H2, or H3 headers for organization, or select bulleted lists for action items. Embed live data. You can also use / commands to insert tables, images, or even link directly to other ClickUp tasks, creating a dynamic bridge between your documentation and your work. Next, review and sharing. Before you finish, make sure your collaboration settings are correct. Check permissions. Use the Share button in the top right corner to control who can view or edit the doc. Real-time collaboration. Because ClickUp Docs support multi-user editing, your team can jump in to brainstorm and see each other's updates live on the page. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.